The calibrator is the part of the tool that ensures the initial shape of the extruded material comes out of the extrusion head and then cooled and shaped into the final product. It also plays an important role in the extrusion process. The temperature of plastic wood products is also very high when they are extruded out of the extrusion die. And the general temperature of PE plastic wood materials is between 110 to 140, and PVC plastic wood or other plastic wood materials out of the mold temperature some can be as high as 180, approximately 190. In order to obtain a good finish, accurate dimensions and standard geometry of the finished product, the calibrators must meet the following requirements. A. The size of the mold calibrator cavity must meet the precision requirements of the product outline dimensions. B. The mold should have good and uniform heat conductivity. The shape of plastic wood products are very different. Good thermal conductivity to improve the cooling efficiency of the mold, so as to improve the production speed of plastic wood products. More importantly, uniform heat conduction is the key factor to ensure that the product releases stress to avoid warping and to improve the intrinsic quality of the product.